Spend less time fixing and more time printing. 3D printing has become commonplace in homes, schools, and businesses. With countless 3D models available, it should be easy to download, edit, and print anything. But most 3D models have errors that lead to print failures. Powerful model editing tools require expensive software and training. Creating 3D data from scans require long workflows and are not easy. Mimaki 3D Print Prep Pro version 2.0 solves these problems and anyone can use it. No training necessary. In a few clicks, make 3D model fixing and editing pain-free. No more print failures. Add thickness and make watertight. From upload to automatic fixing in a few clicks, anyone can easily make their 3D models printable. Cut up large models and key for assembly. Select the cutting tool and make cuts where desired, then select the type of keying. Create lattice structures to reduce weight and use with flexible materials. 5 lattice patterns available. Use easy settings and automatically generate. No CAD knowledge necessary. Turn medical scan and LiDAR data into 3D printable models in moments. Take your scan data and make it 3D printable. Mimaki 3D Printer Honor Exclusive. Use 3DP3v2 locally on your PC. Lastly, do all your prep work in one place with several convenient features. Add labels and engrave or extrude. Create mirrored models. High-quality smoothing for low-poly models. Hollow with adjustable wall thickness. Whether beginner or expert, we know you have had your fair share of failed prints. And we know that you would like to do more. Give 3DP3v2 a try. Register for a 1-month free trial here.